welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to the 7th episode of Skinny Sundays. If you see, I am coming to you guys a little different on this episode because the topic is double cleansing. So I needed an example to show you how to double cleanse, girl. If you tuned in and not familiar with Skinny Sundays, this is a series I created on my channel just about different skincare topics and how I clean my face. I am not an esthetician. This is just stuff that's been working for me, things that I've been using throughout the years or even read about. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So today I wanted to talk about double cleansing, guys. So I have talked about cleansers on my channel. I think that was like episode 2. Sorry, don't know what's going on this channel, obviously. But that was episode 2 on Skinny Sundays. We talked about cleansers. So when you have a full face of makeup, I actually just finished recording. If you're not familiar with my channel, I do wig reviews, makeup, and other kind of beauty topics. I don't know, I'm kind of all over the place, but if you want to check it out, you can check that other stuff. But if you're here for the skincare, let's talk about the skincare. So after you have a full face of makeup on, I like to go in and actually like melt it off, okay? And I say melt it off because that's what you're literally doing. You can go in and use your cleanser, but double cleansing is anything that's used to basically remove the makeup before you do your cleanser. It's usually oil based. You can use a makeup wipe, you can use this right here, which I'm going to talk about today, or you can use like olive oil or coconut oil, okay? So this step is usually just important because with the foundation or any makeup or anything that you're using on your skin, it really helps kind of melt it down, and then you go on with your cleanser. I know, we talked about cleansers, it's a lot. Why can't we just use a cleanser? But this one kind of preps it for cleansing, if that makes sense. So this is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I showed you guys what it's looking like. This is the consistency of it. It's basically like a balm, okay? It's pretty thick. I have another one that's from Ole Henriksen that I really like too. I'll leave a picture right here, and also I have another one from Caudalie that I like to use too sometimes. I'll leave a picture right here. So let's go ahead and put this balm on. So what you do with this right here is you basically just put it on your face and you just melt that makeup away. I know, this is crazy. I'm coming to you guys with contacts, lashes. I know y'all not used to seeing me like this. Unless you watch my other videos, you're used to seeing me like this. But I figured this would be a cool video, you know, with skincare, because this is an important step for me when taking off. I didn't want to take off the eyebrows. I didn't want to take off the eyebrows, y'all, but we got to take off the eyebrows because I'm about to go to bed. This is an important step with my makeup right before I wash my face. So if you see how everything is just melting away, and then even with the eyeshadow, like look at the different, look at this, look, boom, 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 it just melts away. I'm going to show you guys an example of just wiping it away. Now this side, I didn't put the oil on or the balm on, and look, when you just kind of try to wipe it away, you see kind of how hard it is to do it. It's not really coming off. All that primer, all that stuff is working. Now this side that I kind of melted away, look at this. Look at the difference. Look how I just literally wiped that off because it melted the makeup off. And this side is still like a struggle if you want to do soap and water. It's turning white because I do have some water on my hands, and that's kind of expected with this. Even the lipstick, guys. I look like a clown. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this all off, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just wanted to show y'all real quick. I know I look crazy, but this is normal. All this white, this is normal. Okay? I'll be back. Whew. Okay, I'm back. Bare face and all. So if you guys notice that there's still some makeup on my face. So this wasn't cleaning it. I just literally used this to prep my face for the cleanser, and it kind of strips everything away. Okay? Woo! All right, yeah, so I'm back looking like a whole new person now that my makeup was off, but I actually feel really relieved now that my makeup is off. If you guys notice, like some traces of the makeup is kind of still on there, but it kind of did strip it away really good. So I do like to double cleanse before I go in and use my cleanser. I'm about to jump in the shower now and get ready for bed. This is a good step to kind of get everything melted, and then you use your cleanser. So let me know what you guys are thinking about this extra step. Do you feel like it's worth it? Do you feel like it's too extra? This is actually one of the 10 steps in Korean beauty that I said I would talk about, but I haven't talked about. But I like it. I'm gonna keep going with my extra steps. You don't have to do it, but I did want to bring that to the channel. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this video, and until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.